the sound.
You're having digestive problems. Most likely it's stemming from the food that we're consuming. Now, we've been scripted to go to the doctor when we come across these ailments or these problems to get a pill. But see, we'll be going back for another pill soon enough. Once that, it's a whole circle that's meant for us to keep going back. If you want to fight off as well as combat, if you want to combat these issues naturally as well as effectively, then let me give them to you. Here they are. So, stretching in this position opens up the lower cavity of the digestive tract, mainly the large intestines. So, any obstructions can flow freely. I call this the frog stretch. Now, stretching in this position will further open the lower cavity of the digestive tract. Dandelion, turmeric, and ginger. All three of these things are found to help stimulate as well as heal the pancreas. Now, fermented drinks are exceptionally good for promoting digestion as well as overall functioning of the digestive tract. Kombucha as well as other fermented products are very beneficial. Rubbing the abdominal area in this manner will stimulate the pancreas as well as the stomach. It will also promote the gastric juices to help break down any leftover food. So when it comes to any type of abdominal discomfort, I drink a hot cup of tea. Drinking a hot cup of tea or water will increase the body temperature, in return increasing the metabolic rate of the body, thus increasing digestion. Let food be thy medicine, and medicine thy food.
I just like the sound.